put my hand out there any longer than I have to.
It's just this constant hump.
Mosquitoes are bad. Morale is down. Camp is falling apart. They're on my hand. Oh well. We're okay. But there's seriously a shit ton of mosquitoes out here.
Yep, yeah. Ooh, I think you did it. Okay.
Where's Craig?
International running.
His dream come true, finally.
Ooh, it's happening.
Oh, there's that big ass chunk of ice that needs to go. Makes me smashed up. I'm gonna stay right here. It's the end. So we're leaving the campsite now. Everyone ran away because of the mosquitoes. So that's the end of our trip, at least from this part on. And we'll be hiking down from here on out. So let's get ready for the adventure. All right. Oh, that was so much easier than the first time with the sandals. Mary's got to fix her shoe before she loses her mind.
Yeah, sounds good. Figure them out. You have one, but not really as good information though.
It's all right. Me.
Do it, Craig.
Dancing. Keeps the motivation up, keeps the energy high.
Everyone's dancing. Everyone's dancing. I'm gonna fall over.
Anyway,
Go ahead.
Yeah, for sure. That is kind of, I mean, that's a bit cheeky.
it's cheeky, yeah. It's not
See why I can't use the audio ever? We've almost made it to where Craig fell.
Yeah, I know.
Right there.
That's a famous shape. Is this the one?
This is it,
This looks brilliant.
doesn't it? It looks like a little UFO or
Why
something.
didn't, this is why we were so. This is why we were so excited. Did you miss this on the way in?
And see, it looks like an order window.
You see
See?
this one?
So, and then outdoor seating.
I thought it was a lovely. Strip a cage for chickens.